that be stacking them checks. You ain't that bitch that be coming for next. You be that chick that be trying too hard. You be that chick that ain't it so she flex. And for once I'm not talking about cash, I'm talking your morals, your values, your class. You can't be. What's happening, y'all? It's your girl Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So, as y'all can see, your girl went and got a little tat. Or whatever. I went and got a little tat. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to clean that tat and how to keep that tat up and popping even through the peeling process. So let's hop right into the video. Okay y'all, so I went and got this tattoo I think like 3 days ago. Yeah, it was 2 days ago because it was on my off day. So anyways, as y'all can look pretty close, I'm already starting to peel. You see that? Yeah, I'm already starting to peel, and I just took the plastic off that was on my arm. So what you want to do is just grab like a washcloth or something like that. You want to wipe it down, because being like having your arm concealed in plastic for so long, it can cause your arm to smell bad, and you could break out just from it not breathing, getting up. You see, I'm already starting to have bumps form on my arm. It's an ugly process whenever I get tattoos, so that's why I barely ever get them, because the healing process be ugly, I promise you. So you just want to wipe it off like that. You don't want to rub super hard because your arm is still tender, you know, from the needle and stuff like that. So you just want to wipe slowly but surely, you know. I want to peel it so bad, but I know I can't. But it looks so nasty, y'all. Like you can see it. Like, this one little piece right here. I can't pull it off though. I can't. Even under your arm too, because every square inch of your arm is going to smell. I'm telling you. Okay, it smelled better now, but before, it was smelling like stank. It wasn't smelling, it was stanking. It's the difference between smelling and stanking, and my arm was just stanking. So a lot of people like to use Aquaphora, you know, to heal their tattoos. I personally like to go old school and get the A&D ointment. You can get this really at your local Walgreens or Walmart or a Target, you know what I'm saying? Prices may vary. I need to go buy some out. You basically just want to squeeze a little bit out. Just like that. And you just take a little bit and you just start rubbing. The reason why you want to do this is because when you get a tattoo, you have to make sure your skin is moisturized. You have to. Because if you get a tattoo and you don't take care of it, it's going to show. It's going to show as your tattoo is healing, and over time it's going to show that if you took care of it or not. All of my tattoos look good because I take care of them. So you just want to make sure the moisturizer that you use, whether it's Aquaphora or A&D ointment, make sure you cover every square inch because it's in the peeling process. So you want to make sure while it's peeling, you want to make sure it's moisturized, so when the skin do come off, it don't hurt or it don't give you like no little sting or nothing like that. But yeah, y'all, this is all y'all want to do. Sorry for such a short little video. It's just I got this tattoo, and I know it's some people out there probably getting tattoos for the first time, and they probably want to know the cleaning process for the tattoo. Okay, what if my tattoo start peeling? What if I start getting bumps and everywhere? What if it starts itching? While my tattoo is itching as well, you don't want to scratch it. I repeat, do not scratch it, because you will scratch the ink off your arm. Literally, it's still healing, it's still fresh. You know what I mean? So if your tattoo is itching, if anything, throw some of this on there. I repeat, do not scratch it. I did that to I think I did it to this tattoo. I scratched it and I ain't mean to. Thank God it didn't show, but it's like still, like, it'll hurt to scratch it too. But you want to make sure you cover every little part, because you want it to be moisturized, and bam. You see how better that look? You see, it just looks better. You know what I mean? See, it just looks a lot better. But thank you all so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all later. Thank you. Just a quick side note. I didn't mention this earlier, but if you pull the, like, as you can see, the little black dots on my arm, that's the peeling from, those are the peelings from like the tattoo. Here's a quick note. If you do decide to pull your skin off while your tattoo is healing, which I advise you all not to do, if you pull it off, it's gonna be little gaps in your tattoo. Like, you know how connect the dots and they don't connect all the way? It'd be like them little itty bitty gaps. Yeah, you gonna have that all over your tattoo. So it's very important that you don't peel it, because sometimes the ink will still be resting in your arm, and if you pull it off, it's like you pulling the ink right out your arm. Family having their own business. My brothers having their own business. My niece growing up, she eventually having her own business. My mom having her own